Okay, so what's next is we're going to do the flower. Now the flower and the candle are white. The flower's got pink in it. So there we got, you can't really see that probably too well because it's white on white. We're going to add just a touch of pink to this so you'll be able to see it better. I normally use bright white, but this is the AmeriColor white. It works. Okay, so what I need to do is add just a little bit of that dusty rose pink to it, which is right here. Here it is. A little bit of alcohol, and you're going to just swirl that in. This is going to make one of the glasses that has the swirl. They're like white and pink swirls going through it. It's a glass I use a lot when I. So the pink is kind of like translucent, although you're not going to be able to tell with this. And then we're going to use a little brush and just do little tiny dots of yellow in the center of that. Okay, and then we need to use the white with a little bit of yellow so it's a little opaque and swirly to do the candle, because the candle has got to show up. I got a little bit outside the line, but again, it's not going to matter because you're not going to be able to. I'm going to have a line there anyway. So I'm just dipping into both yellow and white. Get that streaky color. Go up to the edge of the flower here. Okay. Now we're going to use the yellow again to paint out, and I want that really light. So I'm really going to water it down so it's a lighter. And we will end up taking the design over the edge to get to this. It's going to go over the edge. And as the light goes out, it's going to get darker. So I'm going to switch from yellow, and I'm going to start adding some orange to it. I'm going to tilt this so I can see it for a second. Oops, I got a little grain on that. No big deal. If you do something boneheaded like that. First of all, glasses do have different colors mixed in them. Just use water to wipe it off. Water or alcohol to wipe it off. And you got to let it dry a little bit before you go over it. All right, so as it starts to get further and further from the candle, I want it to get darker. All right, we can go over that now probably. There. So it's yellow. Yellow again. And basically what we're going to do is add just a tiny bit of orange, which is right here. As it starts to go out, you want to just kind of blend it a little bit. So just start out and blend it in a little. Okay, and then it needs to get a little bit darker. So we'll use less yellow and more orange, and then we'll move to the red. Okay, a little on this side. That's going to be another flower there. There's some flowers right there. I haven't painted yet because I don't know what color I want to make them yet.